Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening with the price of Pepe and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As you guys know, we've seen a massive bloodbath across the board over the past, a few hours because, Bitcoin's seen a little bit of a retracement within its price and dominance literally skyrocketed, which is causing, meme coins along with altcoins to really bleed really hard. So we're going to be analyzing the chart, see what really is next and what I could see happen for the price of Pepe. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe, we are now down to about 6 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 91.3879. We're down 20% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 20% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. So it's no secret at this point that this was quite a significant drop for the entire market, and Pepe is no exception. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $383.4 million. So we potentially could see Pepe go past the $400 million market cap quite soon, depending on what Bitcoin does. And looking at its 24-hour trading volume, it is quite high as well, currently sitting at $205 million. So of course now we're going to do our daily analysis. I'm going to share my personal opinion with you guys as to what I could see happen for the price of Pepe. So if we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see no news as of now, but the overall following count for Pepe is increasing. Once again, it's hitting newer highs in terms of new followers, currently sitting at 303,000 holders in a matter of a month, almost 2 months now. So great to see on that. So that shows the community is increasing, but the biggest one for me is this right here, guys. The holder count, no matter what is going on right now, no matter how much uncertainty there is, people that missed out on Pepe earlier are coming in right now. From what I can see with the holder count, the accumulation is happening right now. People are going to come and say, why is Pepe going down then? If people are accumulating, because the sell pressure is higher than the buy pressure right now, and that is no secret. And also, we cannot forget the fact that, Pepe is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes down, it's going to go down as well. And we need to understand how the cryptocurrency market works and how dominance works, and that I will share with you guys right now. But as far as the holder count goes, guys, once again, an all-time high in holders, 118,211 holders. So that is a great thing to see. But now, let's get right into the charts, see what is happening and where we could see the price of Pepe going in the immediate short term. So of course, before I get into it, as always, nothing on this channel is financial advice. That's a massive disclaimer I give before. So always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies, and I cannot stress that enough. So if we're looking at its market cap, $385 million, but now let's look at the bigger picture as to what really has happened. So yesterday, guys, we were heading towards the upside, and then Bitcoin decided to say, what, it's time to see a little bit of a cool off. And of course, the reason as to why that has happened is it's no secret at this point. It's a whale manipulation in my opinion. But of course, if you guys remember, I watched I made a video and I said, we're sitting at Bitcoin, the level we're sitting at is, it can either go up or it can go down right now. That's how less volatile Bitcoin was being. And as a matter of fact, we've seen a little bit of a dip happen in the price of BTC, retest that June 5th lows that we hit, but the dominance on the other hand skyrocketed all the way up to almost 50%, which caused altcoins to go down crazy amount. And now a lot of people, I've been talking to a lot of people that are in the crypto space. A lot of people are saying, oh, this is the best buying opportunity for myself. This is the opportunity that I wanted. And for a crypto OG like myself, obviously I'm not an OG in terms of like the 2010 days, but I came into cryptocurrencies early 2016 when things were still early beginnings, and that's almost like 7-8 years now. And I've seen these type of moves happen over and over and over again. And people that spend at least 2 years to 3 years in the crypto markets get immune to these type of moves. So what I was looking at, like when I saw these types of move occur, I wanted to start buying some more. And right now there are some altcoins that I'm looking at that I will be accumulating quite soon. I'm just waiting to see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin loses this level of support, I could potentially see Bitcoin drop down to 25 to 24k level, and of course that can impact altcoins to go down even more, and that's where I will throw in a little bit more money. Of course, I've do my due diligence and research and investing which coins I'm going to be buying, and that's my plan. But right now you can see this for yourself. Pepe saw a significant drop within its price since yesterday. We saw a 27, almost a 30% dip in the price of Pepe. This is a massive dip right now, guys. Huge. So right now, if we go all the way back to see this, we are being supported by this level right here, which obviously dates back to May 3rd, when we were breaking out towards the upside, and this is a crucial level of support for the price of Pepe. Hopefully we bounce around here, but this is a great buying opportunity for altcoins for a lot of people. And if you believe in Pepe, picking it up now when you are seeing a 30% correction would be better than picking it up when it's already pumping. Remember, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the people that are being greedy right now, when there is a massive fear across the cryptocurrency space, are the people that tend to do good in the long haul. So right now I'm also looking at Pepe, but majority I'm looking at 2 to 3 different altcoins that have dropped quite significantly right now, and I might pull the trigger on them right now. So we're hoping to see Pepe hold around this level, consolidate. If we break out towards the upside, now we're gonna face a little bit of resistance, which was of course coming in our way back on June 5th. But if we cross that, guys, we're back to where we were. So it just depends on Bitcoin. So let's hope now, Bitcoin starts making a move back towards the upside, see a little bit of a relief rally, because right now, it's no secret at this point, we have seen a significant drop happen. But, again, I'm not complaining. This is a great opportunity for altcoin accumulation. And, this should also teach you guys that, this is why profit taking is so important. Doing your due diligence is so important. Of course, there's new money coming into the markets. This is, a continuous cycle. Of course, every time a new person comes and they go through this is really scary. So if you were kicking yourself earlier on a few weeks ago when Pepe was at around $800 million market cap, now you're getting it literally less than half of that. So I'm more than half of that, I'm sorry. So if you had some money on the sidelines that you wanted to invest that you could afford to lose, now is the time to go shopping around, in my opinion. But of course, you always have to do your due diligence and research and invest what you can afford to lose. But that is it for my update. Of course, I would like to see the price of Pepe reclaim this level, guys. If it's able to reclaim this level, that is a good thing to see. That is a move of about roughly 10%, and I can see that happen, especially if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a move towards the upside. I really think Pepe can make a massive move towards the upside. We're already starting to see a green candle forming, but let's take it with a grain of salt until we actually get back to those levels. But that is it for today's update. I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. And yeah, that's I think all the updates I'm going to do today. Pepe and ladies, maybe tonight I might cover more. So love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.